both for himself and for his country. So this will be the next bout. We are now moving on to the 75 kg men's categories. And we are going to see. A little bit of a difference in build between these two boxers as well. The boxer in red from Kazakhstan, perhaps a bit stockier. Man from Uzbekistan, Javokhir, just a little bit lanky. Been a frenetic start from Konspekov. Come out punching right from his corner. But Javokhir has to use that reach of his to good effect. He's got the taller or the better reach. Why Konspekov seems more conscious of trying to cling as close to his opponent as possible. Sometimes a bit too much for the officials' liking. Already been a lot of attacking in this bout. Good aggressive intent being shown. Konspekov has to be a little bit careful here. Just seeming a little over eager to take the fight to Javokhir. Has to mix a bit of caution and aggression. There's just been perhaps too much of aggression being shown by the man in red. Might earn the officials' ire, and more than anything else, it might also tire him out well before these 3 rounds get over. Leaves Javokhir Abdurakhimov with the easy task of just defending solidly for the first couple of rounds and maybe then going for broke in the 3rd and final round. This could also possibly be heading for a split decision, the way that these first 2.5 minutes of this round have gone. Not too many clean punches landed by either boxer. Been a lot of occasions when the two have just found themselves in a little bit of an embrace in trying to gain the initiative. There's the latest one of those. Konspekov might soon get an official warning as well. Yeah, the end of the first round. Not much to report really. Konspekov came out all guns blazing, trying to be as aggressive as possible against Abdurakhimov. And a few decent punches, but a lot more of that round was spent by the two men. Just sort of hugging each other. Not intentional, of course. No love lost inside the ring, at least between those bell sounds. And not surprisingly, the first round has been given in favor of Javokhir Abdurakhimov. 5-0. So all 5 judges going with the man in blue. Aman Konspekov has been trying to chase the bout. Has ended up just making a few too many mistakes in the process, leaving himself open for a few counter punches.
Round 2.
Two mighty Asian nations with good history in the sport, Kazakhstan and Uzbekistan, both part of the erstwhile Soviet Union. Of course, was a massive team in terms of combat sports in general, boxing in particular as well. Some epic bouts at the Olympics involving not just boxers from the erstwhile USSR, but also some of the famous American names. The one which comes to mind, Cassius Clay, Rome 1960. Later rechristened as the great, one of the greatest of all time, I suppose, Muhammad Ali. That used to be, much like in many other sports, one of the main rivalries to look forward to. But this also is a good emerging one in terms of modern boxing. Kazakhstan and Uzbekistan getting a little bit untidy in the second round. Even Javohir has to be a little bit careful. Suspected that this might be a very technical and tactical bout, but it's been a bit more brawn. Yet again, the official having to step in and just warn Kontsbekov of leaning into his opponent's body a bit too much. Also draining the two of them out. All of this jumping and chasing each other all over the ring. Still about a minute left and another round to go. Have to conserve their energy. It also leaves them susceptible to a good solid punch coming in and knocking the stuffing out of the other. That's not the one there. That's why a little smile on the face of Kontsbekov. Day 2 of action, afternoon session here at the World Boxing Cup Finals in Greater Noida 2025. Just getting a little bit too passive at times, the two. Not sure how the judges will have seen this, but Kontsbekov really hasn't made too many inroads as compared to the first round. So this one might also go the way of the man from Uzbekistan, Abdurakhimov. The two of them just trying to up the tempo a little bit compared to what happened in the first round. But yet again, we saw lots of occasions when they just got their bodies a little intertwined. Some shots which came, which really wouldn't have counted in any case. It's been scored in favor of Abdurakhimov yet again, but a couple of judges have lent the way of Kontsbekov as well. Just coming back a little bit into it as a contest. Everything to play for in this final round. Kontsbekov has been given an outside chance by the score of coming back and possibly clinching this as well. Has to use it wisely. Factor we were discussing in the first round. The tiredness now creeping in. Both men looking a little worse for the wear. Kontsbekov looking to be as positive as he's been right from the start of this bout. But Abdurakhimov also struggling to keep pace now. The timing is right. If one of them can launch something special out of their drawer, would have a technical knockout in this third round. Blow to the back of the head, with the warning going Konspekov's way initially. Is Javokhir Abdurakhimov just doing enough here to stave off a spirited challenge from the Kazakh boxer? Been a bit untidy at times, but it's been effective from Abdurakhimov. Visible tiredness across both boxers. Konspekov probably just looking for that one shot which can bring him that victory, and in that process over-trying, leaving himself susceptible to a few of those counter punches, also getting a warning just a while ago from the official. Yeah, into the last 10 seconds or so, the Uzbek contingent cheering on for Abdurakhimov. They know that he's close. They know he doesn't need to do too much here. And it will probably be a victory for the man in blue. Understandably jubilant. Yet again, a slightly untidy third round where Kazakhstan's Aman Konspekov tried to come all the way back. But Javokhir Abdurakhimov did exceedingly well to make sure that he kept his cool, he kept his tempo going. Did have to face a few punches, but in spite of them, landed a few good ones of his own. But Konspekov is also quite confident. This could be a close one from the look of things.
The winner won points by split decision. In the blue corner, representing Uzbekistan,
it is Javokhir Abdurakhimov. Turns out to be a very close one. As we expected that this would be a tough bout between